It would not be wrong to say that the competition between brands like Boat, Xiaomi, JBL and Redmi has enabled us with a wide range of options even on a starting budget of 500 rupees. Despite the affordable pricing, these earphones are made with a decent quality of plastic, silicon and metal materials. The things we like the most about these earphones priced below 500 rupees is that the brands have maintained sound quality and bass in a pretty balanced manner. So if you are looking for the best quality earphones on a tight budget, you are watching the right video. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is Boat Bass Heads 152. Starting our list with Boat Bass Heads that has comfortable angled earpiece design and thumping sound quality. The earpiece is made up of metal that gives it a sturdy feel. The wires of the earphones also feel strong, but careful handling is still required. Earphones are equipped with 10mm drivers that produces crystal clear and bass rich sound. You also get an inline microphone to control your audio tracks and your calls. Overall, the earphones have an impressive design alongside strong sound drivers that makes it one of the best earphones under 500. So the second one in our list is Audio Technica AT-H. Audio Technica AT-H is a robust build and ergonomically designed earphones that are soothing to the eyes. The earpiece is made up of plastic material, makes it light. Ear tips of the earphones are made up of silicone material that helps you to carry them for long hours without any skin irritation. The earphones includes 8.5mm driver that can produce precise sound on mids and highs. Thanks to high acoustic resolution technology, you will not hear any distortion in sound quality while listening to music at peak volume levels. The sound quality of the earphone is good and you can spend your money on this earphone without a doubt. This earphone can be a very good choice for you if you want a budget-friendly and best earphones under 500. So the next one in our list is Infinity Zip 100. Infinity is a decent brand that keeps introducing quality audio accessories and Infinity Zip 100 is one of them. Infinity Zip 100 is an in-ear style earphone that can be a smart buy for you if you are looking for the best earphone under 500. The build quality of the earphone is average, where the earpiece is made up of plastic while the wire is delicate, which needs utmost care. You get 9mm driver in this earphone that gives booming audio experience and has clean vocals. This can be a perfect choice for those who love to listen EDM and hard rock music. The mic of the earphone also supports Google Assistant, which you can activate by pressing the mic thrice. So the next one in our list is Realme earbuds. Realme is a popular smartphone brand and has been producing performance-oriented smartphones. The company also seems promising in the audio accessory segment. Realme earbuds is a well-designed earphone coupled with amazing sound quality. The earphones are made up of metal, which makes it durable, while the magnetic mechanism gives you a tangle-free experience. The ear tips are soft and fit perfectly in the ear canal. Realme earphones are also performance-centric as it offers you 11mm sound driver which produces clean vocals. The audio work well at the mids and highs. The earphones also contains an inline mic that can assist you in all your tasks. Realme is a reliable brand, that is why we have included Realme earbuds in our list of best earphones under 500. So the next one in our list is Move Acoustics Drive. If you are looking for an Indian brand that can offer you good audio quality at an affordable price, then Move Acoustics Drive is ideal for you. The earphone have a superior grip and ergonomic design that makes it ideal to put on in any condition. The angled earpiece sticks in your ears perfectly and rarely fall. The earphones have 10mm driver that can take you in immersive sound quality. Noise isolation technology makes it a first choice if you are planning to go on a trip. The earphones are portable and have a supreme sound quality, which makes it one of the best earphones under 500. So the next one in our list is JBL C5 OHI. JBL Without a doubt, our favorite brand and our first choice in terms of audio accessory is always JBL. This JBL piece of earphone is none less than the best. That is why it has earned a spot on our list of best earphones under 500 segment. So JBL is known for its signature sound which it offers in this earphone. You get an 8.6 mm driver that has JBL signature bass rich sound and produces loud audio with clarity. Minor distortion may take place if you are notching up the volume level, but that is negligible. The earpiece is made up of plastic material which can cause skin problems if you wear them for long, while the cable is also delicate which needs to be handled carefully. You get one control button embedded in the mic that can help you to manage all the stuff. So the next one in our list is Philips In-SHE. Philips is one of the oldest and reliable brand in the audio accessory market. Philips In-SHE is a sleek and elegant earphone coupled with a promising audio performance that can be your perfect pick if you are looking for one of the best earphones under 500. The earphone have 8.6 mm speaker which is less as compared to other earphone in the same segment, but still manage to produce decent sound output. The sound quality is soothing and is ideal for those who listen to melodious music. The inline microphone is also handy in taking calls and audio quality of the calls is clean. This in-ear style earphone can be a perfect choice for you if you are looking for minimalist but effective earphones. So the last one in our list is Bolt Bass Buds Loop. Bolt has some of the best audio gadgets out there in the market. Bolt Bass Buds Loop is one such quality earphone that is priced just under 500, making it budget friendly. The overall build quality of the earphone is impressive at this price point. The earphone is crafted with plastic material, making it lightweight. The angle design of the earphone fits firmly inside the ears. The cable is tangle prone, so you need to be careful while handling it. The gold plated straight jack makes sure that you get the best sound output out of the earphones. The earphone is sweat and water resistant, which is difficult to find at this price point. Bolt Bass Buds Loop comes with 12 mm aluminum sound drivers. The sound output of the earphone is well toned and balanced with every genre. You get one multi-function button to take calls and change tracks. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.